Hi, this is a quick video on how to use a gate. I've got a snare track here with some bleed from the rest of the kit. It sounds like this. And I'd like to only keep the snare hits, as I'm going to use the Pro Tools channel strip to do this, but most gates work the same, although the wording might be slightly different. In this case, I'm going to start by setting the highest ratio possible, which means that the gate will close completely. If I play this back, it still plays back like it should, and that's because we haven't changed the threshold. I'm going to set the threshold to the highest value in this case, and now we can hear that there's no sound. To begin with, I'm going to set a short attack, short hold, and a short release. And then now we're going to dial back the threshold until the signal exceeds the threshold value. And there we go. Now, if I turn this back too much, then we can hear the bleed in between again. So I'm going to dial it up a bit. That seems okay. Now, in this case, I want a little bit more of the actual snare sound. So I'm going to turn up the hold. A bit more. Try a bit more. So now that was a little bit too long, because now we're also getting this cymbal over here. So let's try that. Dial it back a bit. There we go. A bit of release on this. And that is essentially the principle of working with the gate. There are some variations to this theme, but essentially there you have it.